As a professional TV viewer, your eyes are trained to watch all the action of what's going on in the foreground. In this case, watching me. But for these next few clips, I want you to forget all of that and watch what's happening in the background, like what this pink guy is doing right here.
Not all the Poppins girls are as skilled as Mary. You should watch the guy in the bleachers. He's the real hero. If you look behind the bride and groom, you'll see this altercation. While the lady in front exercises her arms, the lady in back works her tailbone. And it's just not a party until Banjo Bob shows up.